Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a beautiful 1967 Chevelle Convertible. It's all decked out as an SS, big block motor, disc brakes, rebuilt suspension. Got a lot of great stuff going for it, and it's a wonderful driver. I can tell you because I've driven it myself. Visit volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll see the new ones as they are posted. But right now, top is down in this beautiful Chevelle. Let's go for a spin. I'm going to call it ground up restored because even the underneath is really nice. It looks like really solid metal. Matter of fact, I just posted pictures of the inner rockers. They're nice and clean, and someone spent the time under there, cleaned and prepped everything, and it's painted with Pour 15 and painted with gloss black. It looks like the whole front end, there's about 3,000 miles on it since, but the whole front end was completely replaced. All the tubular control arms, all the bushings and springs and shocks and sway bar, and all of it looks new. It has a disc brake conversion in front, so all of that looks new. So the whole front end. New shocks in the back. The springs look new in the back. The fuel system, the tank, the straps, the sending unit's been replaced. Has a 10-bolt rear end in the back. Looking up at the motor, it's still super clean. Has a high torque starter. Has the inspection cover over the flywheel. I think it's chrome. It's a turbo 400 automatic with a chrome pan on the bottom of that. So under the car is real nice. Great sounding Flowmaster exhaust system. The tailpipes have turned down tips, really nicely done in the back. You'll hear it in just a minute. Has radial redline tires. Look like they are BF Goodrich tires with the redline custom put on there. They look like they're 15-inch rallies. All the trim looks new. It has the correct 1967 center caps. Has the SS hood. This looks new. All the trim up here looks really nice. The grill is original. There's a couple wavy spots in the grill here, but the bumper and the trim looks really nice. New emblems, 396. It has the SS stripes right there. The rocker trim's really nice, original. Windshield must be new. It's crystal clear. New bow tie mirrors, new handles. It's a black convertible top. It's like brand new. Car is straight, glossy, beautiful. It's a factory code F. That's Marina Blue. That's how it was born. And it's got a really nice clear coat finish. I'm looking in the reflection. It looks like I could reach right in. Looks like I could shake my hand. So a beautiful paint job. Tail lights look new. It's all blacked out like the SS. New bumper. So inside the car, this bucket seats have been completely rebuilt. They've been re-cushioned, new upholstery, so it's all nice and firm and fits nice. It has a center console. The dash panel is real nice. All the chrome bezels have been replaced. The dash pad looks mint. It has three nice chrome gauges below the dash for your temperature and oil pressure and that. It does have a retro stereo, which does work. It has new speakers up here. There are some nice kick panel speakers, but they're not hooked up for whatever reason, so you'll need to do that. It'll be worthwhile doing. Interior lights work. Back seats reupholstered. Door panels, armrests, window cranks all look new. Sill plates look new. So it's a 1969 396 motor that they started with, and it's been rebuilt, and it's got on top, it looks like it's a ceramic coated or powder coated Edelbrock intake, and it's got, I can't tell, oh, that's a fuel injection system on there. So it's fuel injected. It's got ceramic coated headers. It's got a Mallory electronic ignition system. aluminum radiator, chrome alternator. It's a one-wire alternator. Weather strips are replaced. Window fuzzies look like they're new. Door jambs painted nice, very clean under the door. Has floor mats, has seat belts front and back. Visors are in real good shape. I mentioned the top is excellent. It's a black top that's on there. Nice clean trunk compartment with a nice spatter finish paint job. New rubber mat. Even has a matching redline spare. In my opinion, when a guy spends the extra money and gets a matching tire and wheel for a spare, it tells you he's not cutting corners. It looks like he has the jack assembly. Bottom of the trunk lid might be the original paint. It's nice, but it's not glossy like the outside. That might be the original blue. Nice, clean factory seams. Here's the original numbers stamped on the jamb there. Back in the engine compartment, it has a new, I told you it's a disc conversion, but it's also all new power brakes with the dual reservoir. Looks like new power steering lines. The power steering pump looks new. Washer bottle. All looks really good. Wiper motor looks new. So nice looking, complete, tidy motor compartment. We'll start it up for you now. And it feels real good. Fires right up. Revs up nice and clean. Right now oil pressure is almost 70 pounds. The mirror's real nice and crisp. Steering was very easy. I pulled it in here and you can steer with your pinky. Beautiful car. One of my salesmen has actually driven this car quite a bit. It just runs and drives really well, take it anywhere, doesn't run hot, it's always restarted for him, goes down the road, steers real nice. So visit volocars.com, and that's where you can contact us, find plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll help answer questions about the car, the process, the delivery, the financing. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.